The 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lights, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.